boys and girls. We are finishing up our zoo area and perimeter project today. You should have 3 or 4 more items to put on your zoo blueprints. So my last 3 were aquarium, 2 snack stands, and a gift shop. Yours are probably different because I let you choose the first half of them today or yesterday and do the rest of them today. So make sure you have your last 3 or 4 items on your blueprints and make sure that you have labeled them. So I labeled it gift shop, aquarium, and then it said 2 snack stands, so I did 2 snack stands. And if there's 2 of something and they're the exact same shape and size, you can just add up the 2 areas together to find the total area, like I did right here, and same with perimeter. The 2 perimeters, and then find out what the total perimeter is just by adding them up together. Once you have that done, then I want you to go back and make sure you labeled everything. So if you forgot to label your animal exhibits, label your animal exhibits so that they match the titles on your second page for the area and perimeter. And the last thing I want you to do is to check your area and perimeter. Okay, I noticed a few perimeters. We were getting a little bit confused on that, so let me show you one last thing to help clear that up. Okay, so when you're doing the perimeter, if I were looking at the perimeter of this square, we know that the length of one side is just 1 unit, right? So the top is 1 unit, the side is 1 unit, bottom, and the other side. So I would just add those up. I know that if there's 4 ones, well, then it's 4 units. Okay, so that's how I have to think about it. If I have a bigger shape, let's say I do something like this, well, I have 3 sides of squares over here. So there's 3 units on this side. 1, 2, 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3 on this side as well. And since that side is 3, I know that this one is 3 as well. And I would just add those up. 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 units. Okay, so think about the side of the square. Okay, and that's what you're doing to count up the perimeter. Area should be pretty easy on here because they give you the squares, you just count them up and you see how many squares you have inside to find the area. Once you've checked over your area and perimeter for all of your work, then you may turn in your final draft. That is going to be your final product. Make sure that it's exactly how you want it and then turn it in.